Hi, I'm Shelley, your training coordinator with Spantech University. Probably the most frequently asked questions about our conveyor systems. What can they do and what are their limits? So I want to personally invite you to our brand new in-house training sessions. In these new training sessions, you will learn how to properly identify types of chain and their characteristics, how to properly identify our conveyors and understand their functionality, how to determine how different products behave on different conveyors, a general understanding of gear motors, strategies used to manipulate products on our conveyor systems, a basic understanding of how products are transferred from one conveyor to another, and there will be hands-on training and activities. If you'd like to know more or register for classes, please email us at training@spantechllc.com. Give us a call at 270-651-9166 or visit us on the web at www.spantechconveyors.com/Spantech University. We'll see you soon.